2004 GMC Sierra 5.3 liter V8. What we got done on it, guys and girls, there's the stock converters there and there. Then we cut the Y pipe off and true dualed it with an X pipe. There's the X pipe. Then true dual all the way back 2 1/4 and keep going and going and going out the sides there and there into 4-inch angle cut tips right there and right there. That's how you true dual them, boys and girls. Hope you guys like it. Let us know what you guys think, and always, guys, please subscribe, like, and comment, because it keeps us going. And that's the muffler and the tailpipe that we cut off of it. It is a 4.8 actually, guys, not a 5.3. That's so much better. Again, there's sound decibels. That sounds so good. You can never go wrong with true dual, guys. And the X pipe equalizes the pressure, so you don't hear that clap as bad. Basically, it takes the spot of the muffler to take the raspiness out. There it is. True duals with an X pipe, 4-inch tips. Let you guys hear on the inside. GMC Sierra 4.8 liter V8 true duals with an X pipe. Here we go.